I was at my computer for what was probably the 100th time that day, searching for mentions of my new blog post. Refresh. 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 Oh, but it was not refreshing at all. I poured out my heart and soul into making the perfect blog post about effective communication strategies, and no one was listening. Imagine that. So I figured that I would actually start my own company, but still, I had no clients or prospects. My only contact that spring was a barn swallow who'd set up her nest just outside of my window. It was frustrating. Have you ever been there, feeling like your dreams were just out of your reach? Well, that was me. But I was not willing to give up. I came up with a simple plan. Every day, I would make a valuable and thoughtful comment on one blog post in my niche, which is PR and marketing, and I wouldn't try to sell or link to anything. I'd been doing this for about a month when it happened. I hit refresh, and up popped a mention from a well-regarded PR blogger, then another one from a tech author, and from there it snowballed. And before I knew it, I was interacting with influencers from around the globe. I found myself a part of a community. Well, as that went forward, I realized that I had stumbled upon a universal principle. The more that I gave, the more that I got in return. So no matter where you are right now, as relatively unknown in your market, like I was, or as just starting your brand, or as an established brand, I am confident that unleashing the power of community will revolutionize your brand. My name is Cami Huiza, and I have created a 4-part framework called Smart Social Secrets. These help you to clarify your goals, connect with your ideal audience, create powerful content, and calibrate your results. I have used this formula to help hundreds of my clients, from the smallest nonprofit to the hugest enterprises. Is hugest a word? I don't know, but they are actually using it to absolutely build up their communities. And I used it to go from my lonely apartment to a multiple 6-figure agency. So what I learned all those years ago as I was searching the internet for validation is that I actually needed to hit refresh on my thinking. If you want to be validated, validate others. If you want to decrease loneliness, increase community. And if you want to reach your dreams, help others to reach theirs.